फैंटास्टिक्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। So today I am doing one of the most requested, like literally the most requested, how to make fluffy slime with no glue and no borax. Like it is like super hard to find out a successful recipe that actually works, that doesn't have no glue and no borax, that actually make a very decent fluffy slime without getting melted in like 2 seconds. So yeah guys, let's see what that recipe is. But before, if you guys haven't checked out my new channel Farhana Nuzhat, it is a very happening channel, I must tell you guys. And whenever I am uploading a video on this channel, there is a video on that channel as well. So if you guys are a bit bored and you just need another entertainment source, then I should suggest you to go on there and watch some of my videos. If you guys like the content, then make sure to please subscribe and like. Please, I'm making super amazing content about YouTube 101, like how to do YouTube videos, how to edit your thumbnail, how to upload your videos, like so much more. Like today there is a video about how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So if you guys are interested, go on and check out, and make sure to click the first link in the description and subscribe. So yeah guys, now without talking much, let's get started with our no glue no borax fluffy slime. So first we need our bowl and spoon. So let's take our bowl and spoon. So here it is. So now let's take our first ingredient. So guys, this is our first ingredient. Yes, we just need a thick shampoo. So fantastics, the shampoo I'm using is this one. You guys can actually use any thick shampoos, but let me know in the comments like what kind of shampoo you are using, so I can tell you guys if that is thick enough or not. And I will be giving you answers in the comments. I will reply that if that shampoo will work or not. But still, this is a no glue no borax recipe, so I cannot be like very sure about this recipe. So yeah, let's start making our slime. So we are going to take a very thick shampoo. I am taking this Sunsilk Black Shine shampoo, this one, and let's take a little bit. You guys can take how much ever slime you want to make. Like I am making this much because this is how much I want to make my slime. Like you guys can take as much as shampoo as you want your slime to be. So if you want a really big slime, then you guys can use a little bit more shampoo. So I'm taking this much. And now the next main ingredient, we need some shaving cream. So guys, shaving cream is actually super important, since this is one of the activator kind of for our slime. So we are going to use this much. And yeah, now we are going to mix these two together first, and then we'll add the next ingredients. So let's mix this. As you guys can see, they are combining very well, and it is kind of thick as well. The slime is actually very great. If you guys have, if you guys want to color your slime, then you can also. I am thinking of adding a little bit of yellow food coloring to this, and let's see if this coloring works or not as well. So yeah, let's add a little bit of coloring as well. So guys, I am adding this lemon yellow color. Why is it not focusing? Okay, so I'm adding this color. You guys can add or not. If you guys don't want any color, you don't need to add any color. This is optional. Any type of coloring will work. It will not change its texture. Like you guys can add whatever kind of color you have, watercolors or anything. Everything will kind of just work with this slime. And now we need to add a little bit more shaving foam before activating. this is how it looks. Now we need to add a little bit of salt to it. I am using normal white salt, and we need to add it like super carefully, otherwise our slime will not activate. As you guys can see, it is actually activating. And you just need to mix until it forms a slime, something like that. Now we just need to keep on mixing, and you guys can see it is activating. Actually, we haven't even refrigerated it yet, but yeah, it is super thick actually. You guys can see, oh my god. It is actually activating at places. At this point, you have to just mix it a little bit more until everything combines like this. You guys can see this is activating, right? Like, this is a big clump. This is kind of like a slime. This is kind of activating. We'll need a little bit more salt. Just a little bit until it activates. As you guys can see, there is no cuts at all, guys. I just cannot believe myself. It is actually working. It took me like so much time to actually figure out a successful recipe, because I have been searching it online so many times. I haven't seen a very successful recipe, but this looks like it can be a successful recipe. It looks like a slime. Now when your slime looks like this, you need to keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. So let me just cover it and keep it in the fridge, and then I'll show you guys in the last how it actually turned out. So yeah, let's see. So fantastic. It's been like 1.5 hours now. So if you guys want your slime to be non-sticky, then you guys can take like 2 hours or 3 hours, but mine was already like kind of solid. Let's take it out. Let me just take out my rings because this slime is messy. So fantastic. As you guys can see, it is super cold. Oh my god. It is like one fluff ball like this. It is actually like slime. If you guys don't want slime sticking to you, then have a little bit of moisturizer like this and rub it in your hands so that slime will not stick to you. Or if the slime is sticky, then you guys can just so just moisturize your hands like this and then start playing with the slime. Now it's not that sticky. Can you guys see that? It is a very nice hack for any sticky slimes. And oh my god, this is like super cold. Oh my god, this is actually like super nice slime. Oh my god, it is a bit like thick kind of, because it's like kind of frozen, but you guys can play with it. This is not melting super fastly, so you guys can play with it like nicely. And you guys can see this is a fluffy slime. What is this fluffy slime? So yeah, so yeah, fantastic. That was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked today's video, then don't forget to like this video. If you guys are not liking videos, I don't know what. Do you guys don't like this series or something? If you guys like this series and want it to continue, then make sure to give this video 800 likes. That will let me know if you guys like this series or not, or if you guys want to see something else. So yeah guys, that was all. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.